Hi there, students. Gumption. Okay, gumption is an uncountable noun, and normally it's really quite informal. Okay, to me as a Brit, gumption means common sense, initiative, resourcefulness. He was lost and he didn't have the gumption to ask somebody the way. He didn't have the gumption to take the opportunity while it was available, and now he's regretting it. She has a lot more gumption than I gave her credit for. So the British used gumption with the nuance of intelligence or the opposite of stupidity. However, the Americans use it with a slightly different nuance. They use it talking about being brave or daring, boldly taking the initiative, doing something brave that might get you in trouble. So, for example, he didn't have the gumption to wait until I arrived. He didn't have the common sense, the brains, to wait until I arrived. He didn't have the gumption to ask the girl out on a date. He wasn't brave enough. He wasn't daring enough. Yeah? Brave, bold enterprise. He was too timid to do it. So, gumption, basic common sense. The ability to do what is obvious and logical in a situation. He said he couldn't get into the house, but he didn't have the gumption to try the door, which was unlocked. It was open if he just opened the door, but he didn't have the gumption to try that. Okay, so, gumption. Either being sensible enough or brave enough to do the right thing in a problematic situation, in a difficult situation. Boy Scouts are supposed to use their gumption to resolve any problem. Yeah? She had the gumption to accept my offer of extra classes. When he asked me for money again, I had the gumption, the common sense to say no. Okay, so with the American idea, gumption is talking about daring and personal initiative. So in American, it's slightly more. People who have gumption are normally successful in life. So, gumption, common sense, good judgment, horse sense, initiative. And then on the other side, braveness, boldness, daring, guts, backbone. He didn't have the gumption to clearly state his point of view and was therefore ignored. So in this one, I'm not sure if he wasn't brave enough to do it, or he didn't have the common sense to do it, or maybe it's giving the meaning of both of them at the same time. Clearly, you have a lot of gumption if you're watching my videos. So, what about formality? I think I would probably give gumption 3.5, 4 in formality. I don't think I would use it in a semi-formal framework or a formal one. I'm not sure it's a word I would write in anything but something informal. More formally, you could say common sense, daring, initiative, resourcefulness, something like that. Okay, and the next question, what about the origin? Well, there was a Scots word, gumption, meaning common sense. And maybe that came from the Middle English word gome, meaning attention, paying attention. So, gumption, common sense. Use your gumption and you'll find the solution. He had a lot of gumption and took some very enterprising business risks. Okay, so common sense and daring. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, that'll show quite how much gumption you have, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Gumption.